Guided visualization, it's simple, but it's extremely powerful. I do it just about every day. I have a morning routine where I go through writing down things I'm grateful for and meditating a little bit. Guided visualization is a relaxation technique where we use our mental images to picture things that are peaceful. I picture these peaceful places, but I also add in the element of gratitude, being thankful to be there, being thankful and grateful for the things that I'm seeing and the things that I'm feeling. It helps us to reduce stress, promotes a sense of calm. And you know what? The mind and the body are connected. We cannot separate the two. We are spirit, soul, and body, and they often overlap. This is something I talk about a lot with my clients. When we are visualizing these peaceful places and adding gratitude, that positively impacts our body. It can relieve muscle tension, relieve pain, decrease stress hormones, cortisol production, and it can really help to have an overall sense of well-being. What I'd love to do right now is lead you through a very short guided visualization. First, find a quiet, comfortable place to be while you're watching this, whether you're lying on your bed or sitting in your living room, still yourself. Close your eyes. Take in a few deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful, beautiful place. What's your favorite place? Are you in the mountains, in the woods? Are you at the beach? Is it your favorite place to vacation? I want you to go there in your mind right now. Wherever you're going to feel relaxed. Picture all the details of that place. For me, it's the beach. I love the beach. The sound of the waves crashing onto the beach, the sound of the water, the seagulls squawking, the smell of the ocean air, the ionic breeze blowing, the warmth of the sun on my skin. As you breathe in, imagine that the air is filled with calm and relaxation. As you breathe out, let go of all the tension. Let go of all the stress. And let go of all the discomfort that you might feel. Feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Every breath that you take, your muscles are softening. Your mind is calming. It's becoming more still. And your body is relaxing. It's feeling lighter. That heaviness is lifting. To allow yourself to fully enjoy this peaceful place. Stay here as long as you'd like. There's no one rushing you. Know that you can come back to this peaceful place anytime you want, anywhere that you are. When you're ready, take in a deep breath and slowly open up your eyes. Bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your toes, your fingers. Wake yourself up again. Feel the sense of calm and relaxation. You're ready to go back into your day. Doing these guided visualizations can be a quick way to reset when things are stressful. I like guided visualization coupled with the deep breathing we talked about in the previous video. It helps us to overcome that daily stress that we might feel. It helps bring a sense of joy and a sense of peace. I return to gratitude and thankfulness for the things in my life, the things in that scene that I really appreciate. All of that goes a long way in helping us to overcome the things that we experience. Physical feelings can occur in our body, but also the emotional things, the stressed out feelings, those frazzled feelings. I invite you to incorporate the deep breathing and the guided visualization, add that gratitude in, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed and stressed. Share your experiences in the comments. I would love to hear more about what you gained and the value that this added to you. I invite you to follow, subscribe, like this video, turn on the notifications so that you get made aware of the next videos that come out, and share this with others. If you found benefit and if this added value to you, then please share and invite others to watch this video. Thanks so much for joining.